Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi envisioned transforming police the smart way. The T of this smart concept stood for technology savvy and trained. To realize this vision, police forces across the nation took up several tech-based initiatives. One such unique initiative to modernize and digitize the Malkhana or the case property store was taken up in Delhi under the visionary leadership of Honorable Union Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh and enlightening guidance of the CP Delhi Shri Amulya Pattanayak.
In Delhi Police, we have taken a lot of initiatives which we call the smart policing initiatives, particularly on the front of technological upgradation. And we feel that the technological upgradation will add to the efficiency of the Delhi Police, and it will also, in due course, allow us to use the manpower which is now being utilized for this kind of jobs for something much more fruitful and positive. Malkhanas are known to be a place where lots of case property items are kept and some sort of a systematic upkeep and maintenance is necessary. And if we digitize the records, then it will go a long way in maintaining the Malkhanas properly. It is a part of our effort to contribute to the Swachh Bharat mission of the Government of India, as well as the smart policing initiative of the Government of India. So I would like to once again compliment the South East District for this excellent initiative. And in times to come, we propose to extend this e-Malkhana initiative to all the other districts of Delhi Police.
Every police station has a Malkhana. It is a place where case properties seized by the police during inquiries and investigations are kept for safe custody on behalf of the honorable courts and are required to be produced before the concerned courts during trial of criminal cases.
केस प्रॉपर्टियों को मालखाने में रखने का तौर तरीका पहले ठीक नहीं था। सबसे पहला रजिस्टर होता है जो मालखाने को 19 नंबर रजिस्टर, उसमें एंट्री करते थे सीजर की। उसमें करने के बाद में एक कुंजी बनाते थे। कुंजी के हिसाब से हम प्रॉपर्टी की लोकेशन देते थे। कोर्ट में जैसे ही संबंध आता था और हमारे को केस प्रॉपर्टी दाखिल करनी होती थी तो ढूंढने में काफ़ी दिक्कत होती थी।
To manage case properties in a scientific and efficient manner, e-Malkhana was conceived and tested across some police stations of Delhi. The South East District took up this initiative on a mission mode and has become the first district in Delhi to achieve digitization of all the Malkhanas of its 13 police stations in a record time.
In March 2018, the South East District of Delhi decided to digitize all its 13 police station Malkhanas, and we completed this challenging task within a record time, becoming the first e-Malkhana district. The case properties, which run into thousands, were often seen to be kept in a haphazard manner, in a state of neglect and deterioration over time. At times, it was making it very difficult to trace the cases they belong to, and the e-Malkhana project thus aims to professionally manage the case properties which are viewable on a click. This modern inventory management system also facilitates the movement of the case properties, keeping them safe and traceable. As a process improvement, it has improved the working environment of the police personnel who are engaged in the Malkhana duties.
Using e-Malkhana is a hassle-free process. Firstly, every mart that is case property is entered in the case property entry form of the e-Malkhana software. Secondly, a picture of the case property is uploaded against the relevant FIR number or the daily diary number. All the required information is then processed by the software and a unique barcode ID is generated, a sticker print of which is taken out for affixing on the cardboard package before the case property is placed in a ventilated, secured storage solution rack or almirah or tray. The same process is followed by those case properties which are bulky and cannot be packaged in traditional sense of the term, like two-wheelers, four-wheelers, etc. The dingy and inhospitable Malkhanas have been transformed to the new look and feel e-Malkhanas with bare minimum requirements like a desktop system loaded with the e-Malkhana software, a barcode scanner, printer and cardboard packaging tools. With the use of e-Malkhana, the search and retrieval of case properties has become easy and efficient. Every case property before being taken out can be cross-checked.
अब डिजिटल होने से ये तो सबसे पहले कि प्रॉपर्टी बहुत सेफ होती है। दूसरी, गंदगी का तो कोई नाम निशान ही नहीं रहा। प्रॉपर्टी में जैसे सील टूटना, डैमेज होना, इस तरीके चांस सब नहीं रहे। बारकोड रजिस्टर जो हमने अभी डिजिटल होने से लागू किया है, जैसे स्कैनर इसके ऊपर इंटर करते हैं, हमारी FIR डिटेल, टोटल डिटेल आ जाती है।
टाइम बचने के साथ साथ जो हमारे पास अवेलेबल स्पेस था, उसका भी e-Malkhana स्टार्ट होने के बाद हमने प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन किया है। जैसा कि आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, जो सारी केस प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं वो प्रॉपर तरीके से बॉक्सेस में प्रॉपरली बारकोड के साथ रखी हुई है, जिससे हमें उनको ढूंढने में और रखने में दोनों में ही आसानी होती है।
और ये भी कह सकते हैं, पहले मालखाने में लड़कियां नहीं होती थी, आज मालखाने में लड़की भी है जो आसानी से इजीली सारा काम हैंडल कर पाते हैं।
The monitoring of the Malkhana has undergone a whole-scale transformation with generation of reports like A. Case property out of station, B. Status-wise report like case cancelled, untraced, pending investigation, pending trial, conviction, acquittal, etc. C. Headwise report like case properties related to murder, dacoity, rape, etc. D. Case property movement report. E. Court order for disposal or destruction report, etc. Transfer of charge from one Malkhana in charge to a new one has become a pleasant experience, as all that is now required to be done is a digital signing in only, which was till now one of the most detested aspect of police functioning.
जब हम लोगों ने इस प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना शुरू किया, तो चूँकि पुलिस स्टेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा स्टाफ टेक सेवी नहीं है, अगर उनको कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज है तो अप टू एक सर्टेन लिमिट तक है। और e-Malkhana प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत सारी ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी जो हमारे पास रेडिली अवेलेबल नहीं थी, जो हमें इकट्ठी करनी पड़ी और अपलोड करनी पड़ी। तो डेफिनेटली इसमें हमें काफ़ी मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ा।
ये थाना 1960 में इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था। 1960 से लेकर 2018 तक जितने भी केसेस यहाँ हुए, उनकी केस प्रॉपर्टीज़ एज ए एविडेंस यहाँ पे रखी जाती हैं और यही प्रॉपर्टी एज ए एविडेंस कोर्ट में पेश की जाती है ताकि कोर्ट में उनकी ट्रायल चल सके। और सभी स्टाफ इस प्रकार की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से, इस प्रकार के जो डिजिटलाइजेशन किया गया है उससे खुश है। इससे पूर्व कोर्ट जब भी किस प्रकार की केस प्रॉपर्टी पहुँचाने में हमें दिक्कत होती थी तो हमें उस तरीके के कोर्ट केसेस में बुलाया जाता था, बट इसके आने के बाद इस तरीके के मामलों में एकदम से बहुत घटोतरी हुई है।
The e-Malkhana project aspires further technological upgrades in providing RFID tags to case properties to ensure that there is no tampering or unauthorized movement of the case property beyond the Malkhana. The beta version of this upgrade is under testing. The e-Malkhana project, being simple, robust and cost-effective, is ready for wider acceptance and replication across the country. Jai Hind.